Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today, and today is very special day for you, I think, and that's why I thought I can make some English sentence using love word, and it will be very special gift for you in this day. So that's why one more time I come here in front of the camera and I have prepared for you 50 English sentence. You can use this kind of English sentence in your love life. If you use that, so your relationship will be very strong and very romantic for you. So here I go. Today our first sentence is I loved you at first sight. When you will use this sentence, first time you have saw your girlfriend, and that time you can use this sentence I loved you at first sight. That means প্রথম দেখাতেই আমি তোমাকে ভালোবেসে ফেলেছি. You can use this sentence I loved you at first sight. Next, I always think of you. That means you think all the time about her. In this situation, you can use this sentence. That means আপনি সব সময় তার কথা ভাবেন, অর্থাৎ আমি সব সময় তার কথা ভাবি. In this situation, you can use this sentence I always think of you. Next sentence is my love will never end for you. You are trying to understand her. Your love will never end for you. That means আপনার ভালোবাসা তার জন্য কখনো শেষ হবে না. এই ক্ষেত্রে আপনি বলতে চাচ্ছেন আমার ভালোবাসা তোমার জন্য কখনো শেষ হবে না. In this situation, you can use this sentence my love will never end for you. I'm living just for you. You are trying to understand her. You are depend for her. So in this situation, you can use this sentence. I'm living just for you. That means আমি শুধু তোমার জন্যই বেঁচে আছি. আপনি যদি এটা বলতে চান, so এই ক্ষেত্রে আপনি বলবেন I'm living just for you. I'm living just for you. Stay with me till my death. So that means you wanna stay with her till your death. You are trying to understand her. You wanna stay with her till your death. So in this situation, you can use this sentence stay with me till my death. That means মরণ পর্যন্ত আমার সাথে থেকো. If you wanna use this sentence, you can use this sentence because this sentence is very romantic for you and effective for you, and it will be very effective for you. So you can use this sentence stay with me till my death. Next sentence is I will love you till my death. That means you wanna love with her, you wanna love with your girlfriend till your death. In this situation, you can use this sentence. That means আমি তোমাকে মরণ পর্যন্ত ভালোবাসবো. So in this situation, you can use this sentence. This is also a romantic sentence. I will love you till my last breath. That means till ending your last breath, you wanna love with your girlfriend, you wanna love with her. So in this situation, you can use this sentence. My life is meaningless without you. You have listened this sentence before, but you can't share with your girlfriend this sentence. I think after watching this video, you can share with your girlfriend from now on. So my life is meaningless without you. This is also a romantic sentence, and you can use this sentence. And you are thinking that you don't have value without your girlfriend, without your love. So in this situation, you can use this sentence in your love life. So that means তোমাকে ছাড়া আমার জীবন অর্থহীন. My life is meaningless without you. তোমাকে ছাড়া আমার জীবন অর্থহীন. Next sentence is I wanna stay with you forever. That means you wanna stay with your girlfriend, you wanna stay with your love for your whole life. So in this situation, you can use this sentence also. I wanna stay with you forever. That means আমি আজীবন তোমার সাথে থাকতে চাই. That means আমি আজীবন তোমার সাথে থাকতে চাই. I wanna stay with you forever. I wanna see your smile forever. That means আমি আজীবন তোমার হাসি দেখতে চাই. I wanna see your smile forever. You are the light of my life. That means you don't have light, you don't have lamp without your love, without your girlfriend. Your girlfriend is one of the most light for you. So in this situation, you can use this sentence. You are the light of my life. That means তুমি আমার জীবনের আলো. You are the light of my life. You are everything to me. You can use this sentence also in your love life because you are trying to make her understand you don't have anything without her, without your girlfriend. So in this situation, you can also use this sentence, you are everything to me. That means, তুমি আমার কাছে সবকিছু. You are everything to me. Someone wants to say, তুমি ছাড়া আমি শেষ. But they don't know what is the English that. So that English will be, without you, I'm lost. Without you, I'm lost. So from now on, you can also use this sentence after watching this video. So, তুমি ছাড়া আমি শেষ. Without you, I'm lost. I'm crazy for you. What is the meaning that? That means after watching your girlfriend the first time, you have fallen in love with her and you have a relationship with her. So, and now you are so much mad for her. So in this situation, you can also use this sentence, I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you. That means, আমি তোমার জন্য পাগল. এছাড়াও, you can also use another sentence, I have been crazy for you. মানে আমি তোমার জন্য পাগল হয়েছি. I have been crazy for you. I have been crazy for you. Today's last sentence is, will you be my life partner? What time we use this sentence? When we have love, when we have girlfriend, when we want to complete our love, so that time we can use this. And for completing our love, we can use this sentence, will you be my life partner? Will you be my life partner? That means, তুমি কি আমার জীবন সঙ্গী হবে? Will you be my life partner? So guys, I hope today's video was very special gift for you. If you think this is a special gift in Valentine's Day, so don't forget to subscribe and to share with your friends. And if you especially like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I promise you, I will try to make this kind of video, this kind of sentence next time. So, I will see you with the new lesson, with the new topic another time. Take care of your health. Till then, bye-bye.